Savvy Serena. Wanted to show you, I had to charge my camera, so I didn't get to show this. I've already washed my dishes and cleaned off my counters. So that's all clean. I need to work on my dining room table, which is where everything gets. You see, we went to Dollar General, which they have a lot of clearance items going on right now. And my husband bought the stuff, sat it on the table. Bought me some more Milk will Grow. He just buys stuff, sets it on the table, and this is like our dumping ground, it seems like, when we come in. But I need to clean all this stuff off, and let's see, I need to pull his basket back in there. I need to wash the boot trays. I don't know if I'm going to do that today or not. And then that adds coveralls or whatever, but it's just like, there's a bag. It's got my duck boots in it sitting over there because I needed some winter boots. It's just stuff everywhere. So it's little odds and ends sitting out that I need to pick up, and I need to vacuum because I want to, there's socks up in the window. I want to decorate for the fall. So mainly the living room and the few things in the kitchen that I want to do. So I just need to get some things cleaned off and straightened up.
Into the heat of the night, yeah, alright, do it again. You should have seen it come, you acted numb, don't deny. You are like a moth to the flame.
Y'all come back now. You hear?